Rahim. In this session, we will cover exercise 3.5 of additional mathematics for O level and IGCSE. Let's start from the question number 1. In this question, we will rationalize the denominators. Some surds values are given in the denominator, and we have to eliminate this under root numbers from the denominators. Similarly, we do for the problem number 2 and 3. So let's start question number 1. Rationalize the denominator. This is 1 over under root 5. So we will multiply with under root 5 numerator and denominator. So this under root 5 will become 5, and this under root 5 will appear in the numerator. So this is rationalized. Denominator has been rationalized. Similarly for this, and for this part, 5 upon 2 under root 2. This is 5 2 under root 2. So this multiply by under root 2, numerator and denominator. So this becomes 4, and this is 5 under root 2. So this is rationalized. Similarly, this under root 3 minus 1 divided by under root 3, multiply by under root 3 both sides. So this becomes 3, and 3 minus under root 3. Similarly, this r value 4 minus under root 7 divided by under root 7. So multiply by under root 7 both sides, denominator and numerator. So this becomes 7. So this multiply by with this. So this is 7. So this becomes 2 under root 7, 2 under root 7 minus 1. So this is 14 under root 7. This is 7. And 7 may be taken out common, so this 7 is taken out common, so this becomes 2 under root 7 minus 1 divided by 7. So 7 cancel. This is 2 under root 7 minus 1. This is very important. Now rationalize the denominator and simplify. So here in the denominator we have 1 plus under root 2. So if you multiply this with 1 minus under root 2, so it becomes a plus b and a minus b. So this a plus b minus 1 a minus b, it becomes a square minus b square. So this a square is 1 and b square is under root square is 2, and the numerator we have 1 minus under root 2. So here we have minus 1. So this is minus will appear here. So 1 minus under root 2 is equal to minus 1 plus under root 2. So this is under root 2 minus 1. Similarly, for this 1 upon 3 plus under root 7, so this is 1 over 3 plus under root 7. This multiply with 3 minus under root 7, 3 minus under root 7. So this becomes a plus b, a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b, multiply to get this one. So this is 3 minus under root 7 divided by 2. Similarly, for this last one, 5 2 under root 3 minus 2. 5 upon 2 under root 3 minus 3, multiply by 2 under root 3 plus 3, 2 under root 3 plus 3, a minus b, a plus b. So it becomes this a square minus b square. In the numerator it will multiply. So on simplification we get this. So this is all very important. And now rationalize the denominator and simplify. So this is we have to rationalize the denominator and also simplify. So 2 plus under root 3. So this is 2 under root 2 minus under root 3. So this is a plus b. So a minus b, multiply with a minus b. So that's appear in the numerator as well. So this is 2 minus under root 3 whole square divided by a square minus b square. So this is 4 minus 4, 7 minus 4 under root 3. Similarly for this b1 and this e, under root 5 plus 1, 3 minus under root 5, 3 minus under root 5, multiply by 3 plus under root 5. This is a minus b, so a plus b, so a square minus b square in the denominator, and this is 5 plus 1 and 3 plus under root 5. So we multiply with this one, with the whole one, and then this one, this whole one. Simply expanding it in the numerator and denominator, we apply the formula or identity, and a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So this is 8 plus 4 under root 5. So on simplification we obtain 2 plus under root. So it can be simplified because 4 can be taken out common here. So this 4 will cancel out. So it's simplified. It's rationalized and simplified. Similarly for this one, it's this value. Similarly for this one. Now write as a single fraction. So we have to write it in a single fraction form. So this has to take LCM. So this will appear here and this will appear here. On the denominator we have a plus b, a minus b, so it becomes this, and this we open this, and under root 3 plus under root 3 plus 1 minus 1 cancel out, 2 under root 3. In the denominator we have 3 minus 1, so it's 2 cancel out, and it is under root 3. So on simplifying this we have under root 3. Similarly for this one, and for this last one, 2, 4 minus under root 3 plus 4 plus under root 3 LCM, and then simplifies. Eventually we get this 4 square minus 3 under root 3 square is 3, 4 square is 16, so this is 9, 16 minus 3 is 13, so this is 13, 12 plus under root 3 divided by 30. This is a simplified numbers. And now the area of a rectangle is given as 8 plus under root 20, and the length of one side is 5 plus under root 2 centimeter, length of one side. Area is given and the one side, length of one side is given. Find the other length in terms of a under root 5 plus b under root 2. So the area is given as 8 plus 10 under root 10. This is 8 plus under root 10. This is 8 plus under root 10. This area is given and the length of one side is given, and the area is a rectangle. So one side is given, the second side has to obtain. So we will divide the length area by the length to get the second length, because the area is equal to length 1 into length 2. If we know the one area and one of the length, then second length can be obtained as this. So this is on simplification. This is 8 plus under root 10 under root 5 plus under root 2. So on simplify we have to rationalize it, so it becomes 5. So multiply by with negative sign. So under root can be eliminated from the denominator, and in the numerator we will perform some expansion results, and on simplification of the numerator we have this results. This is 3 may be taken out common here, so 2 under root 5 minus under root 2. So this is 2 under root 5 minus 2 centimeters. This case these are given in centimeter square and length is given in centimeters. So this is centimeters, we have to write it here centimeters. So the final length, the second length will be in centimeters. So this unit is very important. Now a cuboid has a square base of length 2 plus under root 5. This length is 2 under root 5, and this length is also 2 plus under root 5. This is 2 plus under root 5. This is 2 plus under root 5, and we have to find the height. Volume of the cuboid is given in centimeters cube, and the length of the one of the square area is given. So the volume is length into height, because this length and this length, the breadth is equals to the length. So this is length, and this is height. So this volume, so we have to find the height. Height is equal to volume upon length into breadth, and breadth is also length. So this is 2 plus under root 5 square, because 2 plus under root 5 and another bracket with 2 plus under root 5. So this is a plus b whole square. So we eliminate this by obtaining this. So we have simplified and obtained this. So we have to rationalize in the denominator. For denominator we have done earlier. So, and on simplification, we multiply and divide with the same number with a negative sign, because here if we have a positive, it should be negative. So, on simplification, we have obtained 4 minus under root 5. This is the result. So we have to write it in centimeters, because this is centimeter, this is centimeter cube, this is centimeter, this is centimeter, and this is centimeter. This 3 centimeters multiplication gives centimeter cube. So this height should be in centimeter. So the unit is very important. So keep in mind. And we have question number 7. So first read the question number 7 from here. A right circular cylinder has a volume. This is the volume of the cylinder, and a base radius is given. This is the base radius. Base radius is given, and the volume of the circular cylinder, right circular cylinder, volume is given, and the base radius is given. Find its height in the form of this. So we have to find a plus b under root 3. So we have to find the height in this form. This is question number 7. So we have this base area which has a radius. This is given, and we have been given the volume. So we have to find the height of this cylinder or cylinder. So height is volume is given as pi r square h. So height is equal to volume upon pi r square. So volume is given is this, and the area pi r square, this is r. So this r square is this. So we have this value on simplifications. So this is a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab and then plus b square. We simplify, we have obtained this result. In the denominator we have to rationalize. So we multiply with 7 minus 4 under root 3 and multiply as well. Divide and multiply. So to keep it balanced. So on the numerator we multiply, and on the denominator we apply the identity, because this plus and this minus, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, and on the denominator we have this one, on the numerator we have this. On further simplification we have obtained 7 minus 2 under root 3, and this is in centimeter, because this volume is given in centimeter cube and the radius is given in centimeter. So height should be given in centimeter as well. Now we have problem number 8. Find the value of a tangent x. We have to find this value, tangent x. Write your answer in the form of this, where a, b and c are integers. So this tangent x is always opponent divided by the adjacent. This is adjacent. AB divided by BC will give you tangent x. So we have to find the tangent x. Problem number 8, this is tangent x. So tangent x is AB upon BC. So this is opponent. Tangent x is equal to opponent divided by adjacent. This is adjacent. This tangent angle is adjacent angle. This is adjacent side. This is opponent side. Opponent divided by adjacent. is always gives tangent. So this is angle. So in opposite angle, opposite side, and this is adjacent side. So this is 3 plus under root 2, and in the adjacent side we have 1 plus 2 under root. And now we have to rationalize it. So rationalization, this is simplification, and we have obtained this 1 plus 5 under root 2 divided by 7. In the second part, we have to find the area of the triangle. So we know that area can be found out as half base into height. So area is equal to half into AB into BC. This is base area and this is height. AB is height. So half base area into height. Half base area into height. So this is 3 plus under root 2, 1 plus 2 under root 2. So on simplification we have obtained this results. So multiply 3 to this one and then under root 2 to this whole bracket. On opening further 3 plus 6 under root 2, this is under root 2, this is 2 under root 2 and multiply with under root 2, so it gives you 4. So this is 7, this is 7 under root 2. 7 may be taken out common or maybe write down like this. So this is 7 plus 7 under root 2 divided by 2. So this is in centimeters square. If it is given in centimeters, if it is given in units, no, if not, then we should write it in unit square. Unit square. If it is given in centimeters, then it is centimeter square. If it is given in inches square. So we have to find the value of cos theta in this triangle. So this triangle is A, B and C. This is 5 centimeter. This side is 5 centimeter. Because of this is a triangle, straight line. But due to the picture, in the picture it is not looking like that, but it is a straight line. This is straight line, this is straight line. So we have a triangle, and this is the length, and this is 5 centimeter. BC length is 5 centimeter. AB length is 2 plus under root 7 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. So we have to find the cos theta. So cos theta is by cosine law. Cosine law can be applied on a non right angle triangles. So this is simple triangle where cos law is applicable. So cos theta AC and BC, 2AC into BC cos theta is equal to AC square plus BC square minus AB square. The opposite side is always subtracted. The adjacent side, the touching sides are always gives a square, plus a square, and the opposite side, angle opposite, is always subtracted. And in the right hand side we have this side and this side with cos theta and 2. So this cos theta is equal to this one. This is a simple formula, and we plug in the values and obtain the results. So on simplification we have obtained this result, this kind of results. So this is important. Now we are going to solve a very challenging problems.